step into the Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: tires 245/45 BSWS performance, black houndstooth cloth sport seats, granite pearl coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, STD, Sirius satellite radio included. For more info call 800-643-21121. Your Sirius XM radio service, quick order package 21A SXT rear-wheel drive included, engine 3.6L V6 24VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, make, engine, 3.6L V6 24VVVT, STD, rear-wheel drive and power steering. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride.